The 3 simple system to cut 40% of your workload. For high-performing startup founders, this isn't a fantasy, it is a necessity for your survival. You don't start your business to answer support emails, chase down invoices, or onboard every single hire. You started for the visionary change. But let's be honest, lately, possibly your capacity has been consumed by lower leverage admin tasks. You're the visionary, the COO, and the HR department before it's 10 a.m. This is what we call hitting the operational ceiling. It's not a failure of a hustle, it's a failure of your system. You've unknowingly accepted systemic overwhelm, and it is the single biggest barrier to achieving exponential growth. It is time for a definitive, actionable solution. It's time to install an ASD framework. Allocation, structure, delegation. You cannot automate chaos. You definitely cannot delegate chaos. Everything starts with structure. The goal of this step is to convert your unique expertise, the way you do things, into a repeatable, high ROI asset called a standard operating procedure. Think of your business as a set of Lego blocks. If they were all well-defined, anyone can snap them together. If they are a pile of random parts, only you know how to build the castle. SOPs are not just training manuals, they are business insurance. If the most critical task is only in your head, your business is only as reliable as your memory. Documenting your processes is the single most important thing you can do to transfer business value out of your brain into an organization. Actionable tip for startups. Don't start with 50, start with the rule of 3. Document the 3 most frequent, critical, and repetitive tasks you perform every single week. Use simple tools like Loom for screen recording, Google Docs for checklists, how to handle a new sales lead, how to publish content to your blog, how to run your weekly team meeting. Once we have a clear, documented process, we can move the ultimate force multiplier. With the process structured, we can now teach a digital employee to do it faster, 24/7. This is the automation step. We integrate smart technology solutions to handle tasks that are repetitive, data heavy, or scheduled. We're not just saving time, we're achieving algorithmic efficiency. Most powerful automation works on the trigger action principle. The system waits for an event, a trigger, and then automatically executes a defined task, an action. For example, a new lead submits a form on your website. The action is automatically adds them to your CRM, sends them a confirmation email, and schedule a follow-up task for the sales team. Actionable tip for startups. Don't build a custom solution. Utilize no-code or low-code tools like Zapier, Make, high-level, built-in automations in your CRM. Your first automation should be simple but high impact. Automate your lead nurture sequence or your client invoicing reminders. By implementing structure and automation, you've likely eliminated 10 to 20% of your current workload. But now we face the tasks that still remain and require human judgment and skill. The remaining tasks you must remove from your plate. The final step is delegation. This is where we bring the elite capacity, a virtual assistant or a specialized contractor to handle the non-core high-volume tasks. As a founder, your time should be only spent on the $1,000 per hour work, vision, strategy, high-stakes decision-making. If you're doing a task that could reasonably be done by someone else for $10, $20, or $50 an hour, then you're actively costing your company hundreds of thousands of dollars in opportunity. Delegation is trading low-value time for high-value time. Delegation is not dumping. It is matching a documented process to the best-suited talent. Actionable tip for startups. When reviewing your tasks, use the RRN filter to decide what to delegate. Routine. Is this a task that requires little or no strategic brainpower? Reoccurring. Does it happen on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis? Non-core visionary. Is it a task that defines your future direction? If the answer is yes to all 3, it must be delegated. Use the SOP you built in step 1 to onboard your new team member, ensuring a strong, seamless connection and predictable results. In the next 90 days, the SD framework structure, automation, delegation, and definitive systemic overwhelm is what is killing your growth. This framework is your rock-solid foundation. Engineer for your future. Imagine the impact reclaiming that 40% of your time. That time goes straight back to your visionary work, the work that actually moves the business forward exponentially. You can start implementing this system yourself right now. Or if you're ready to accelerate this transition and partner with an external strategic operational partner dedicated to building this scalable structure for you, that's where our services come in. Team Sky Solutions come in. We specialize in managing the core operational levers that drain your energy, providing the elite talent and integrating the smart tech needed for real scale. Ready to trade overwhelm for absolute clarity and progress? Click our profile right now to see how seamless professional collaboration looks. Work optional future starts today. Let's go.